know, I really didn't want to go and line up to vote, so I got a postal vote. I mean, this is ridiculous. This is so ridiculous. Imagine all of the people that just write numbers. Don't even think. There's so many things on here. Like, what is Reason Australia? What is the Citizens Party? Serious? The Australian Progressives? What does that mean? I don't know who any of these people are. None of this makes sense. I'm gonna do some research and I'm gonna come back. Okay, I've finished this one. Now I've got to do the electoral division of Hawke, and I have to do 11. There's 11 names, so I have to like Google all of them. That's so annoying. I've done it. Let's see. I'm so tired. Tomorrow we are going to Warrnambool, which I am real excited for. We'll see you tomorrow. I have just finished work and now we're packing, and we've told Murphy, well, we're not letting Murphy sleep because it's a 3-hour drive to Warrnambool. And I guess I have less to pack today because Quinn was trying to help by drying things by the fire and he burnt by accident. Let's go have a look at my scotch and soda and seed. So not the cheapest. They weren't from Kmart. I mean, look. Like, it even has a hole. It burnt. Like, and Quinn had to put them out with water. Oh god, you couldn't have, yeah. Anyway, he didn't grow up with a fireplace, so he hasn't experienced that before. But anyway, I guess I have two less things to pack.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now.
We're going. Fuel is very expensive again. This is an expensive trip. We've got 2 hours and 51 minutes, so it'll basically be dark by the time we get there. It is a bit depressing. We always bring our coffee machine ever since we bought it because it was expensive and it's kind of portable, so that's what we do. What's a holiday without good coffee? Like, so typical of Google Maps.
There's be a highway between.
Where's the highway? I'm sure there's a highway. It's pretty though. Sorry, which national park?
Warrnambool Regional Park. We're going through it.
See, it's dirt road. We've still got 2 hours. Exploring, and I thought that this was a fake door because it's so small, but look. I mean, come on, did I choose a winner? The cute things continue. Look at this. So we're just we've decided to order takeaway, and we found this place that does tapas. It's called the Hairy Goat. And look, you can get takeaway cocktails. Yummy. Eat meat first. Okay. Shake me. Let's find yours. Oh, this one does look like it's yours. Wow. Live arancini, mozzarella things. Espresso martini. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, this is how we eat our burgers here. We just eat the dairy that we're intolerant to. Good morning. So look how beautiful it is outside and in our kitchen. We are going to go and do the Warrnambool to Port Fairy rail trail, which is actually I think like 40 kilometers one way. So we're not going to do the whole thing because we have done that very similar sort of distance with Murphy in the trailer before, and it was very stressful on the way home. I only brought like one shirt, so, and my cycling clothes, so at least I won't have to worry about utilizing my one shirt. Yeah. Okay, this is what I'm wearing. Quinn is wearing this. And then we are gonna go for the bike ride. Are we gonna go for adventure? Yes, yes. Wow, this is a volcano. Volcano. Oh my god, a long, long time ago. I think it was 25,000 years ago when it last erupted. Wow, that's so cool. Murphy's like totally missing all of this.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to wake up very
Wow. Okay, we are at peak climb. You can't even see it. I'll show you in a second. Whoa, you've looked real close. Because Murphy's asleep now, we have to wake him up. But it's only 10 o'clock, so he shouldn't even be. It's not night time. It just looks so... How can you wake that up? It looks like I might be carrying him for a kilometer.
I'm almost back.
Are you holding on?
Yeah.
This is actually kind of convenient.
Yeah. What have you got, Murph? Can you show me?
It's another one.
Oh, you found another one. Show me. Murph. Another one? Murph, just saying, if you fall, you're going to fall into a volcano.
Good.
Murphy is not coping with the walking required You can see that there's like water just here, and that's like inside the crater.
God.
The volcano. Look at this road. It's so this is the rail trail. It like cuts through there. So we're gonna park here. Are you comfy? Yeah, nice. Five kilometers in, got a bit hot, so I had to take my pink jacket off. Very much hanging out for lunch. Are you also looking forward to lunch?
Yeah, I can eat.
I can eat. I'm starting to dream about the things that I might like to eat. That's how desperate I am. Look, it looks like we're in Bridge to Derby Theatre. You're drunk. Bye, sheep. We're gonna go get some food, finally. Yeah. We have a large thick shake, because of course. And then we have a chicken schnitzel wrap. What are you watching, Math? Is watching the crows. So, ooh, yum. Good for post-ride refuel. Yum. Lunchtime.
There's cheese on it.
Yummy. Is it good? Home, we had to leave the beach because it was so fucking cold. I mean, it's still very cold. That's why I got my jacket back on. Well, I had the GoPro on time warp. I don't even know what time warp is. Is it time warp? Anyway, we're coming out of Port Fairy. We're going home. I actually feel sick from the milkshake that I drank. Note to self, don't drink a milkshake and then cycle 18 kilometers after you've already cycled 18. Murphy is asleep again. Like the epitome of cows. I'm ready to be done. Bye cows. Bye. We're back. I'm so cold. Oh my god, you can literally see my banana. Banana. I'm gonna go have a shower because I'm so cold. It is so cold.